Hello. So today, I'm just gonna make more videos about when things break around this house. So trying to clean the house, but very little suction or no suction in this Hoover. So I'm just gonna show you what to do. First thing you want to check is make sure you need to check your floor head for any blockages. There's some hair in there, but it doesn't look too bad whatsoever. And even check right where it goes into the bag. Check the hose. And even check here, and there's a lot of dirt there. So. And yes, this Hoover. So, first thing you want to do is inspect your filter. The filter doesn't look bad, and you might want to empty your bag. You might want to empty the canister, or change out the bag. So then next, check here, and that's what's caused the suction loss. And you might need to clean that filter out, and then you might need to clear any all out. It's dirty. It's the cause of dirty hose and attachment. So I'm just going to empty it. That was the main cause of the suction loss. This big piece blocked it up. So, and that is how I sorted it. So now you know what causes your Hoover to lose suction. So now you know. So now you know how to fix a Hoover that loses suction. Give the video a like. If you enjoyed my video, give the video